I'm gonna say something. If you copy it, you lose. Oh, what what age are you? If you said 8, you're out, sorry. What color? If you're wearing anything black right now, you're out. Out. You can double tap on the screen to get an extra life. And if you have glasses, you're out. Okay, so bye. Don't forget to double tap and click that subscribe button, comment also, and share.